CRCL stock analysis price predictions for Friday. Is Circle Internet stock a buy? Well, I will be breaking this down in this quick short 1 minute video. Ultimately with CRCL, it's exactly into my demand zone. The only thing that I would look to further do from here is take things up, only if there's like some sort of a double break or something like that similar. I myself do have about 47 receipts in the Discord right there, so I do have a bunch of receipts, and I'm just going to stick to my strategy that I've already refined over 45,000 videos. Especially things and how they are looking like with CRCL is that I'm not gonna pull no freaking buy or anything swing wise, right? If I do not see a proper break above $152. Right now it's just melting, and this is not me assuming that things are going to take the better turn and just assuming a reversal. Well, yeah, I definitely could assume, but I'm not trading this, right? Like, it's only really going to be bullish if I see that double break. There's not a problem in mind that I mean, you can go short-term sell side, whatever, but I just want to have clarity and just focus it from this broader picture and follow other tickers. You know, there's no reason to just try to force a trade if rules are not being met yet. Just yet. So yes, I'll keep you updated. This is not financial advice. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.